Yes, 99.6. Yes, Radio Almarcas. We are here, of course. Sahabat Almarcas, wherever you are. How is it going? How are you guys? Yes, of course. Absolutely good. Yes. And of course, we are back, BMC Corner with me, RD Sam. And during 1 hour, we would like to discuss about specific or special topic. And of course, before we are going to talking about our topic for this afternoon, I would like to invite, yes, our guests. Who are they? Yes. I would like to introduce them one by one before spill the topic. So this is it. Hi guys, how are you?
Halo halo
Halo,
guys.
assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How's everything? How's everything?
It's good so far.
Everything is good.
Good, good.
Alhamdulillah.
Very good, very
Yes, welcome, yeah, to our studio in 99.6 Radio Almarquez, yeah, in BBC Corner English discussion. And yes, I would like to invite you, start from you to introduce yourself. What is your name? Where are you from? What is your activity? What is your hobby? What is your role in BMC? Please go ahead.
Okay, thank you very much for this opportunity. My name is Naufal Mufli, but you can call me Naufal.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I live in Sungguh Minasagawa.
Mm-hmm.
And right now I'm busy of my recording, because I'm a voiceover.
Over.
Yeah,
Was over.
voiceover. Yeah. Specifically, I'm a dubber,
Yeah, yeah.
Chinese drama. Yeah.
Mhm.
I'm one of
Rajin, yeah?
the drama, the
Okay.
dubber, right? Yeah.
So, what is your hobby?
My hobby is playing football.
Football.
Football, yeah.
Okay, what is your role in BMC?
In BEMSI, I'm as a advisor,
Mm,
the advisor of BEMSI.
okay, thank you. What is your last? Sorry, what is your opinion so far about our community, our home, BMC Virtual English Meeting Club Indonesia?
Yeah, I think it's like play an important role in our society, in our environment, because there are most of all of the English community out there,
A lot
but
of, yeah.
yeah,
Uh-huh.
there's a lot of English community out there, but
What is the difference?
the difference is we are free of charge. Yes,
And the most important is no criteria.
yeah,
Everyone can
everyone,
visit, yeah. Even your
in every
kindergarten,
age, yeah,
every age.
yeah, every
No
age.
criteria. That's
Yeah.
the bone actually.
Yeah.
No limits.
That's the most important.
Okay, thank you. Welcome for the first. This is your first
Yeah,
to be
this is my
speaker, right?
first. This is my first time in radio.
Okay, welcome. Okay, next. The most beautiful here, the red one.
Thank
Okay.
you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, please introduce yourself to Sahabat Almarkas. We call Sahabat Almarkas, yeah. What is your name? Where are you from? What is your activity? What is your hobby? And what is your role?
Oke, thank you Kakak Sam ya. Sahabat-sahabat Almarkas, let me introduce my name is Herawati Abuher. You can call me Miss Hera. And
Okay.
I have many activity,
Mm-hmm.
especially I'm a lecturer. Some subject,
Mhm.
English, soft skill.
Okay, so
So I'm as a participant in BEMSI.
okay.
Actually, I come BEMSI because invitation from the founder. Thank you,
Oh my
Kasan.
God.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
anytime.
Yeah.
My pleasure. So, so far, how do you think about PMC itself as an English community?
Yeah. I'm really interesting about BEMSI because for the first time,
Yeah.
I see BEMSI is all of all of it, all of who can come
Mhm.
from the kindergarten, from the middle, for the adult. So don't worry if you want to master English.
Mhm.
and your English is still not good,
Mhm.
so come to BMC to improve your because
Feel
you
free.
yeah, this is
feel
free. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So the main point is you can speak English, and the second point you will get another friend,
Mhm.
another community with different background. So just come here. If you want to improve your English, so prepare your special time. No,
Mhm.
no. How to say that? Uh, mm, Useless time. It means not special. So if you manage your special time for do something,
Okay.
so inshallah you will get the special for you in your life. Yeah.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
Kahara. Welcome. Yeah, welcome
Yeah.
in our
Okay.
studio, BMC
Okay.
Corner. Keep your statement. I
Okay.
move to you. Please introduce yourself to Sahabat Almarkas. What is your name? What is your activity? Your hobby? Where are you from?
Okay, sahabat Almarkas, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Yes,
wabarakatuh.
my full name is Harry
Harry,
Rizkisha.
Harry
Yes,
Potter?
yes, Harry Potter, Harry Maguire, Harry Kane, Harry Styles.
Harry King.
He's my brother. He's Harry and I am Hera.
I can call something like that. And yeah, I'm from Makassar. I live at Perumna Santang, and now my activity is I'm a salesman. I sell
Great.
Wi-Fi internet services for multiple brands. I also property freelancer. I sell small properties like plot of lands and burial plots.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, how do you think so far about our English community?
Wow, that's so fun. I think shout out to BMC for
Mhm.
hosting this such an amazing radio podcast. I never attended like a media like this before, so it's my first time.
This is your first time in your
This is my
life?
first time making appearance.
Really?
Media, yeah, for media.
Oh, so this is one of
Yeah.
unforgettable moment in life. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my God.
You can say
Okay.
something like that. And I think BMC is more, BMC is a place that you can learn English
Mhm.
without getting judged, maybe. Everything is fear when they start to talk English for the first time. So if you're looking for a place to learn English without fear of making mistake,
Mhm.
BMC is worth to check out.
Okay, and the most important is BMC have a media like this.
That was fun.
Okay, thank you. Give a applause for us.
Okay.
Okay, as usually, we have a tagline in BMC. If the host say BMC, all of you say more fun, more confident, more
Confidence
impact.
and more impact.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let me check. Okay. BMC,
More
fun,
fun,
more confident, more impact. Hey, give a applause. Yes, okay, we into the question about the topic. Yes. Okay, before I ask you, Harry, first, before I ask you about the topic itself, what is your how to say uh how is your imagination before you come here about the media, about the radio when you sit in the studio?
Yeah, I thought it would be I don't know what to say, but I've never been to.
Make it close.
Yes, I never attended an activity like this before, so it's my first time. So I felt nervous.
Mm,
Yeah.
okay. Okay.
For the first time.
It's
Yeah,
normal.
it's like cold under my skin.
Uh-huh.
It's like there's an ice in my face.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
but it's fun. Yeah.
It's fun.
when
Thank
I'm
you.
here, yeah.
What about the topic? How do you think about the topic itself? The
FOMO
fear of
means,
missing out.
fear of missing out. I think in a good way or a bad way, maybe.
In general.
In general, in a good way, maybe it's good to follow somebody like in we have a social media, right?
Mhm.
There are a lot of influencers out there.
Yeah.
And they're making a bad influence or a good influence. It depends on you, I think, which way you want to follow.
Mhm.
Yes. So in these days, we actually follow everything that we like.
Yeah.
So it's affected our lives, our lifestyle maybe, or our fashion maybe,
Mhm.
our
Because you
point
know
of view.
today is a tsunami information era.
There's
Right.
too many
Oh my God.
informations. Yeah.
Okay. You have still any addition or you keep your statement?
Yes.
You keep your statement?
Akimasen.
Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, I move to Kahera. Okay, the
Okay.
red one. So, how do you think about the topic itself, first of missing out?
Okay, FOMO. If we want to test about FOMO,
Mhm.
fear of missing out, something not only about media,
Mm-mm.
but something about our society.
Okay.
If we see for the Gen Z,
Yeah.
sometimes they afraid if they don't have a friend. Sometimes for I myself as a woman,
Mhm.
maybe I afraid. Sometimes many women afraid if they are rejected to their society.
Yeah.
They should buy expensive handbag or expensive uniform or so on to get their circle
The
accept to them.
statue, yes, statue
Yeah.
status.
They
Yes.
forget high status,
Yeah, yeah.
social status.
Mhm.
But I myself, FOMO is one psychological
Condition,
defect,
effect.
psychological uh, effect.
Yeah.
Why I say like that? If you see the people who can sit calm,
Mhm.
focus,
Mhm.
they can sit without scrolling their hand.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because many people sometimes when I see when I read many book about psychological, sometimes if you sit like this,
Mhm.
sometimes if the people sit like this,
Oh yeah,
it
yeah.
means
I
they are
see.
FOMO, yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
because
yeah.
they to try to maintenance their
Mhm.
appeal.
Mhm.
Is impossible. They should calm without checking their hand.
Handphone, gadget.
We
Yeah.
yeah, silent. Just see.
Mhm.
Myself, I try to.
It's hard
Yeah,
right now
it's
to do that.
yeah,
It's hard.
but we should try. You should speak with your deep,
Mm.
deep,
Mhm.
in deep yourself.
Mhm.
Just only because the outside
Yeah.
people, they just see from the what did you do,
Mhm.
but you yourself to
Mhm.
you know yourself. So sometimes try to speak with
Yeah.
in deep to
So
keep
this is
away.
so this is relate with orientation of life also.
Yeah,
Orientation of
yeah,
life, yeah.
yeah.
How their activity,
Uh-uh.
how their daily,
Yeah.
how their culture, yeah. It's very related with fear of missing out today.
Yeah, I
Mm.
think FOMO is one condition related on all aspect.
Okay.
If your body is good,
Mhm.
your religion is a good,
Yes.
your family is a good, in your society is a good. Inshallah, you will not FOMO, yeah,
Mm.
because you self confidence.
Mm. Okay,
Yeah.
Kahera,
Okay.
keep
Yeah.
your statement. I move to you. The glasses one also, the white one. So, how do you think about our topic for this afternoon? We're of missing out, Novel.
Okay. Yeah, like Kahera said before, like uh, FOMO itself, it's not only happen in social media.
Okay,
Yeah.
in reality also,
Yeah, in reality, because
in our daily.
I think the feeling of fear of missing out itself, like the normal feeling,
Okay.
the experience we all of us maybe that happen in ourselves, it
Mm.
can be experienced, the fear itself, the feeling, like in our society, in our environment,
Mm.
for example, we trying hard to being more confidence, like
Mm.
Kahira said before.
More impact.
Yeah. No, that's our tagline.
Okay, okay. Continue.
Yeah, yeah. I think it's very important to try hard, and also make ourselves become more confident
Mhm.
to face all our society.
Mhm. Okay, keep your statement. Okay, we will be back. Of course, stay tuned in 99.6 Radio Almarkas. Sahabat Almarkas, stay tuned wherever you are. Yes, welcome back 99.6 Radio Almarkas, sahabat Almarkas, wherever you are. BMC Corner English Discussion. Hi, hi, hi. Well, okay, I would like to check your spirit, guys. Please take the mic.
Okay.
Okay, BMC, more fun, more confident, more
Yeah.
effective. Yes, sahabat Almarkas, we back to the topic. Fear of missing out or FOMO. Yes. Okay, I already asked you guys. Yeah, okay, I move to the next question. Talking about fear of missing out, of course, there are positive, there are negative. So I would like to concern in negative first. I would like to start to Novel. So, in your perspective, what is the negativity, the negative impact about the FOMO itself?
Okay, the negative impact.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay, so in the negative impact of fear of missing out or FOMO, like what we talk about in this afternoon, like I think uh, in a negative way, FOMO it can be disturbed. It can make us like the distraction. It's like a distraction. It's like a obstacle uh for how to say to combine ourselves and to develop ourselves in a positive way, because sometimes when we trying to follow the trend, follow the trend, like maybe some of us, a lot of us, or the netizens said like
Do you believe that when you
social media
the
standard.
FOMO is
Mhm.
our financial is bunches? When we follow the FOMO, fear of
Yeah,
missing
yeah,
out,
yeah.
sometimes our
Uh-huh.
finance is bunches, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Because we have to hang out, we have to go to the
yeah, yeah,
Instagrammable
yeah.
place, cozy place,
Like
and etc.
yeah, spend our time in a expensive
Yeah, yeah,
place, right?
yeah.
I think it's not good for ourselves, because
Mm.
it can make how to say I mean, like some of us trying to make a validation, social validation
Okay.
from outside.
Okay.
It means like it's very hard.
It's more easy
Mhm.
to imagine the negative about the form itself. What about the positive
Mhm.
side?
Okay. I mean the positive thing. We know because like what you said before, this is like the era of the tsunami of information.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we know a lot of information from a lot of aspect itself. Like
Mhm.
I mean the. That's the way we have to look out. We have to trying to manage the information that come to ourselves.
Mm.
Is it good for us? Is it comfortable for us? That's very important.
Maybe one of effect, positive effect is that can make improve our skills, right?
Mhm.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Is
yeah.
it?
Okay. Yeah. Like what you said before is like to motivate, yeah, to,
Mm.
to motivate ourselves. The information of BMC itself, it
Uh-huh.
can make us to develop,
Mhm.
because the information of BMC, you can check the social media,
So
our
you may
social
follow
media.
with
Uh-huh.
Bepsi.
That's in a good way, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Because
Yeah.
Pepsi can make
Mm.
give you stage
Mhm.
here, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
thank you,
That's
Nova.
true.
Okay, I move to Kahera. Kahera, there are two sides of coins. There are dua sisi mata
Yeah,
uang
yeah, yeah.
here.
Ah,
So just elaborate which one is negative and positive in your perspective about the format itself.
okay. I myself, if we want to say that the negative effect of POMO, but the
Mhm.
first is you should be spend a lot of money because
Bunches.
sometimes your financial will be lost.
Uh-huh.
So the next is you can mm, get
Yeah.
how to say that
Which one? Uh,
their circle should be hanging around.
okay, okay.
They have a target, go to the restaurant, new restaurant there, new public, maybe it's like a shopping area, mall.
Like a trap system.
Yeah.
System jebakan.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah, right. Sometimes you will, oh, there are a good tourism place there. Oh, I never go there. Oh, hanging out there.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. Sometimes we always give uh, uh we don't have a planning. Actually, maybe you will be holiday twice in a week, twice in a year.
Mhm.
But sometimes maybe every month, 3 month. Yeah. So if you hanging out, so you should prepare a lot of financial. Yeah, of
Mm.
course. But the positive side of FOMO, there are many positive side FOMO.
Yes.
For the first, as like BMC,
Mhm.
I have consulted with my professor. He said that if you want to grow, if you want to blow
Mhm.
BMC, just using the media, social media, Instagram, as Kak Zem do.
Mhm.
And then I myself, I like see the trend.
Okay.
I like handicraft creativity. At the time when I was college, we just get congratulation card, like. But now you can use a mirror as a congratulation. You can. There are many. So if we see the trend, so it means that, oh, I'm still alive now.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Yeah.
Okay, keep your statement. Thank you. Kak. So what about you? What is your perspective? Both of them, I mean, like positive and negative in simultaneous secara bersamaan.
In a positive way, I think there's a lot of things that can affect us from getting formal. Like maybe when we see our friend, for example, as a Muslim, maybe when we see there is one of our friend, they go to mosque first
Okay.
when the azan is already sounding. Yes, yeah.
One of phenomena now right now is kajian also FOMO loh.
Yes,
You know?
there's no a lot of kajian. I think what is kajian?
And uhti,
Yeah.
how to say, they
Yes,
make
yes,
it
yes.
run and
Yes.
make it like war ticket.
Yes, like yeah.
Oh my god.
There's also a ticket war I see in
Yeah.
in social media by maybe like some ustaz, some
Yes.
famous ustaz.
Yes.
They're
Yes.
making that for a younger generation, I think, because kajian used to be so right.
Yeah. Having fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
They
Should be fun
they
today.
make kajian is more fun than before.
Yes.
I think that's maybe the example of in a good way. I think for a bad way. Also, there's so many. I think it's not about wasting our money. It's about wasting our time too. Where we most of us we spend our spare time maybe in holiday, maybe in the vacant days.
Yeah.
We take a day off, but we're not in the house, right? We say I want to spend my whole time in the home with my family, but the reality is not. You keep scrolling up, and you see the phenomenon is what is going viral, and you keep talking about what is the viral things in social media in the reality. But
Yeah.
I think it's kind of wasting your time. I think
That is the negativity.
like I want to say, you purchasing, you're buying that content, not just with money, but with your whole time. I think that's the negative way.
So the positive is
The positive is you are getting motivated, maybe in doing something good, like
To be better.
to do something better. I think yes. Instead of wasting your time, you do something good, something productive.
Okay, I see. Yes, sahabat Amarkas, wherever you are, we are still here, of course, in BMC Corner English discussion. The topic is fear of missing out. And when we're talking about this topic, actually, this topic is like uh, era by era, is only changed by term.
Yes.
But the habit is not changed.
Yeah.
In bahasa, sahabat Amarkas, sebetulnya fenomena seperti ini fenomena bukan yang baru.
Yeah.
Hanya yang istilahnya berubah saja. That's I mean, sahabat Amarkas. So, a viral booming in the previous time we called what and now we call FOMO, fear of missing out, and 10 years later we don't know what will we call this habit, right? Actually not change, but only just term the change, something like that. Okay, my next question about the FOMO itself. Uh, so, how do you think, guys, about the people who never influence
Mm.
about the FOMO itself?
Yeah.
So, which one is the first one to answer this question?
Okay.
Kahira?
Myself.
Okay, go ahead.
I think if the people never influenced with the FOMO is a good character on myself.
Really?
Because yeah,
Mhm.
of course, because if they are difficult to influence to the social especially in media social, it means that they have a good character. I would like to give you an example as like Yunisara,
Oh, yeah,
and
yeah.
Yunisara always
Mungkin kau
forever young.
tercipta
Yeah,
pelangi.
yeah. Uh, and I read their history that
Uh,
she never follow everything social media.
um,
Yeah, and I
she doesn't eat rice also, rice field.
yeah.
No.
Yeah. So so the people, you know that many books have read by me.
Mhm.
Many famous
Mhm.
famous people,
Yes.
they make as like Facebook, and they using Facebook. Yeah, they uh, always use something, but they rarely this stop by social media, and they didn't follow the FOMO
Mm.
because they have a rule like
It seems also with Diana Punki,
yeah,
Gini Ojini, the
yeah,
actress. Yeah, she doesn't have social media.
yeah.
Oh my God, how come? Oh my God, she is celebrity. She's
Mm.
beautiful.
Mm.
She is rich woman, but she doesn't follow the social media. Diana Punki said like that on me on
Huh?
TV.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
recently I got the
Yeah,
information from
yeah.
her on TV, something like that. So
Mm.
you think this is really, really nice people, good
D-
people?
yeah, I think depend on ourselves,
Okay.
because I get surprised when I ask my friend. I send the link to open.
Mhm.
I get surprised because he is a computer lecturer, and
Ah,
he
but
he does he doesn't have a TikTok like this.
okay.
And I asked him, why you don't have a TikTok and any other social media?
Like in forward country, their production vehicle
Yeah,
massive, but
yeah,
they don't have and they don't use car
yeah,
in their daily
yeah,
something like
yeah, yeah,
they export
yeah,
and we use it.
yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh.
So if we see the reality,
Mhm.
uh, something impossible. People don't have social media.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
How come?
but but I get surprised when I ask my friend,
Mhm.
"Oh my God, you don't have a social media like that, and you are a computer lecturer?
Uh-huh.
How come?"
Yeah.
But uh, wisely, he directly asked me, "I don't need it." Yeah,
Hmm.
dia tidak
Okay.
dia tidak butuh kan?
Like Blackpink say
Iya.
how you like that? Okay, give your statement,
Yeah.
Kak. Yeah, okay. Okay, don't go anywhere. Of course, stay tuned in 99.6 Radio Almarka, sahabat Almarkas. It PMC Corner English discussion. Yes, welcome back. Of course. Oh my God, it's like a memories of the song. 2019. We are very like it. Okay. Yes, we of course we back here in Bamsi Corner English discussion. How is it going? Bamsi, Bamsi.
More
More
fun.
fun, more
More
confident.
confident, more impact. Yes, give it applause. Okay, yes, I would like to continue my question. I would like to ask Mr. Harry. Yes, how do you think about the people? How do you think about the people never influence and never get influenced by the FOMO itself?
Yeah. I think about it's about the character of the person. I think
Mhm.
it depends on the character. I think
Mhm.
yeah. There is some people they not
Some people.
yes. They saling sikis. I think
Alicia.
yeah. Lisa.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. They're not affected by like you said before, like Diana Punky. Maybe people like them. They don't have or they don't
Social
follow
media.
the social media like Instagram, TikTok. That's a fun fact. I want to say first,
Mhm.
like China, you know,
Oh yeah,
China,
yeah.
they
Like
produce,
TikTok.
yeah,
Like
they make
TikTok.
TikTok,
Uh-huh.
but
But they
they don't allow the citizen
yes, yes.
to have the account of TikTok,
Uh-huh.
especially for the children, the young generation. The country is so fresh to learn how
Mhm.
to learn. Yes, for the better
Mm.
future.
So the point is they just make focus.
Yes.
There is no distraction and make productive.
Yeah, productivity. I think
The point is
the
right.
point is like
Okay.
maybe I can add something like
Yes.
also Steve Jobs. Maybe
Oh, okay.
he creates iPhone,
One
but
of the richest
yeah,
men in
yeah,
the world.
yes,
Mhm.
but he doesn't allow his family to use it to even look at the screen.
Mhm.
She he
And
doesn't.
and his phone is on a standard,
Yeah,
right?
yes. His phone is not even
No, no
iPhone. Yeah.
updated. Eh?
Yes,
Ah,
yes.
okay. Okay. Okay.
Think
Good
something.
insight. Thank you. So, what
Yes.
about you know,
Mhm.
there are people, the characters who never, or maybe there is no influence about
Mhm.
Forma itself.
Okay, so I think the people that not influenced by the FOMO,
Mm-hmm.
I think they can control themselves. You know, like Hira said before, it means like it's a good character because
My question,
huh?
you know, a lot of massive Asian activity in Benten Rotterdam, you know, Genzi
Mhm.
in Benten Rotterdam,
Yeah.
in this 1 month full,
Uh-huh.
a lot of activity in Benten
Yeah.
Rotterdam.
There's a lot of
Are you there?
festival. Yeah.
Are you there?
Of course, because I have a job.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
Except that.
Oh yeah.
Except that.
Uh-huh.
Because you are the guest, right?
Mhm.
Narasumber.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why you are there.
Yeah.
Okay. What about the concert, the
Okay.
activity?
Uh, about the concert itself, the festival. I mean,
The festivals,
yeah,
yes.
the festival because I think is a
Because
Makassar.
1 full month, right?
Yeah, Makassar International Writer
Writer
Festival.
Festival,
Yeah,
yes.
I think because the festival is mostly the internationally, and I think most of them like how to say really love about something like books and all like the historical story about how to say uh the
Cultural?
yeah, the culture and also sastra, how to
Yeah,
say,
yeah, yeah.
literature,
Literature. Uh-huh.
yeah, about literature.
Uh-huh.
Most of them they think like they really like about it.
I like the history of Makassar Pencari Teripang in Australia.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, Pencari Teripang. Suku Aborigine
uh,
ethnic have
uh-huh.
relations with
Oh yeah,
Makassar
yeah,
ethnic,
I know
right?
about it.
Yes.
Yeah, because you know we have a long story, long historical with Australia about the Aborigine ethnic.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
and Makassar.
Hmm. So, uh, people doesn't have influence, tidak ikut-ikutan di
Mhm.
dalam bahasa Indonesia. Make up effective his, her, or their life or what?
Yeah, about the FOMO, I mean like the character of the people who doesn't influenced by the FOMO.
Mhm.
It can be like you know istilahnya slow living, yeah.
Ah,
Yeah, slow living. They can control themselves. They can explore what they want, what they like. Yeah.
And plenty,
Yeah,
plenty.
planting at their house, right?
Okay, give me a plus, guys. Yes, my next questions, yeah, sahabat Almarkas, do you have a question, sahabat Almarkas? My next question, we still have time in 7 minutes left. Before we are going to, guys, talking about how to say conclusion, maybe you guys need to prepare your vocabulary, your idioms, maybe your wise word, yes, your terms about this topic. And my question is, um, why most of Gen Z FOMO? Okay, who wanna be first speaker?
Okay.
Why? Most of. Why? Not
I,
all, not
I
all, but
know.
most of. Okay.
I all I always I always interact with the
Mm,
Gen Z
mhm,
every day,
mm,
every time. Most of them because most of them influence with a FOMO because they need self actualization.
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
they need self actualization. They need grow
Mm,
growing
mhm,
their game.
mhm,
Yeah, because they still looking for their self.
mhm.
Indonesian say that mereka masih mencari jati
Jati diri.
dirinya. Yeah, so mostly Gen Z
Mhm.
join with
Okay.
influence with the POMO.
I think Jade with
Yeah,
MC.
yeah.
Again and again.
But if they come to good environment, especially for their family, they limitation
Mhm, mm,
for the children use a handphone,
mm,
use social media. I think they is 1%
mm.
from the Ginsi who had a good character. And our curriculum say they profil pelajar Pancasila. Yeah, they
That
good.
is the newest. That is the newest, no?
No, 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 no.
Oh,
Oh,
okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah,
The
yeah,
previous,
yeah,
in the
yeah,
previous
yeah.
curriculum.
Right now,
Okay.
but they still didn't know well their self.
Okay. Thank
So
you,
they
Kahir.
joined the
Mhm.
POMO. Yeah.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
Kaira. Okay, as you can see, this is a
Okay, yeah.
contradiction actually. This is a pro contra actually, yeah.
Mhm.
Because you are Gen Z, yeah, here, but we are fairies here, fairies generation.
Yeah.
As a Gen Z, why this happened? Why most of Gen Z are FOMO?
Okay, so the question, why most of us as
Most,
a
yeah, most of
Gen
us.
Z
Most of you?
FOMO?
No, most.
Us.
Most of us.
Yeah, most of us they want to be seen like more cool, you know.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah, as like what we
It's
discussed.
a FOMO. Legal. Fear of fixing.
Yeah. Uh,
Okay, okay.
yeah, because yesterday there's some victim, you know.
Mm.
How to say? Because begal in the midnight,
Uh-huh.
yeah, they have to how to say? Dia harus datang ke rumah sakit karena kena.
Ah.
Go to the hospital.
Mhm. They should.
They are.
Okay,
Yeah.
basically, your statement is similar with Kahira also, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay,
Yeah,
that.
because most of them, most of us, like our generation, Gen Z, uh, they have to uh, they need like some validation
Mm.
from their friend, from their friend. But for me personally, because I have to follow the development.
Which one is true? Follow or follow?
What?
Follow or follow?
Follow. Oh,
No follow?
full, full is a snack. Oh, that's
You couldn't.
yeah, yeah. Because yeah, for me personally, I have to follow the trend because it's including by what I work right now.
Mhm,
I have to know the consumer. I have to know
mhm,
what they like, what
mhm,
they want to see. Especially for me, like for me as a dubber, yeah, I have to know what they like to watch, so I have to look for that and search for the next opportunity.
So this is about industry. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. That is the point. Okay, what about you? Your statement, your conclusion maybe about our topic for this afternoon about FOMO.
Yeah, maybe like same as him, maybe because
Mhm.
I have siblings. I have
Mhm.
a brother and one sister.
Mhm.
They are Gen Z,
Mhm.
they
Gen
are,
Z
yeah,
next,
Gen
next
Z.
this.
That's Gen Z actually.
Gen Z.
The problem of Gen Z, maybe from what I see, from my humble opinion,
Mhm.
is in my
Humble opinion. Humble opinion. Okay.
let's say it's in my POV.
Yeah.
I see them like it's my brother, right? We're
Mm.
talking about
Mhm.
my brother and sister. Like
Yeah.
they fear of missing out because they fear of getting judged by people.
Mhm.
Yes, they don't have a strong character enough to build their
Mhm.
confidence,
Mhm.
so they just follow anything they see. I think something like that. But doesn't mean that doesn't mean I didn't say Gen Z is a bad
Yeah.
is a bad generation. They rising good. So it depends, I think, on the characters.
And our viewers is Gen Z.
Yes, of course. Shout out to Gen Z. Shout out to Gen Z.
Uh-huh. You know?
Yes, shout out to Gen Z.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
So it depends, I think, on the people character.
Yes.
If you have a strong character, you don't have to follow anything that can unbenefits you in the future,
Mhm.
or you can follow something that may be useful, I think,
Okay.
for your future, maybe something like that. I think.
Okay, thank you guys. Give a applause for us. Okay, last Bepsi. Thank you,
You're welcome.
Hendra, for coming. Thank you,
Thank you,
Hari,
thank you,
for
thank you.
coming. And of course, see you here for the next
See ya.
opportunity. Yes, that's all our conversation or discussion about the topic fear of missing out, sahabat Amarkas, wherever you are in BMC Corner English discussion. And always watch and listen 99.6 Radio Almarkas, yeah, especially in BMC Corner English discussion. What today is this? Every Friday at 4 until 5 p.m. every week. See you for the next week. Good afternoon, bye evening. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.